it's inside.
Oh, it's a poor dead sheep. But the other sheep are already far ahead. Look at that. They're just grazing on the other side of the hill. Or on the foothill over there. They're really cool. It's cool looking to see that. And you don't even need to shepherd them. They just go on their own.
Oh yeah.
There they go. I don't know.
They do
just
not like human interaction.
no. Heck no, especially if you're gonna be rounding them up on a pen. You're gonna get bruised up. But it is what it is. Should we continue down this trail? Yep.
Best to turn my phone off silent as well in case dogfishes wonders where I am.
We're just taking a stroll.
Oh, my daddy.
I wonder what this trail is. Looks like some sort of bike trail. Oh, that's a nice tree. You can see all the sheep on the other side. What kind of tree is this? It's a small looking tree. Oh, all the sheep are back over there. I just hope I don't run into any snakes.